Hi guys, this is Natalie from Jaya Guns. So we're gonna talk about for myself.
Okay, so are you excited?
Yes, very.
Okay, so we got the questions here for Natalie, and she didn't know this, but it's gonna be pretty. And so it's gonna be like Natalie, pick your question. Okay, so we got number 7. Are you C1 Nationers? Are you a fan of Jojo Siwa?
Yes, very. I like her hair bow,
Boomerang.
and I like her song Boomerang.
Okay, next. Pick your question.
Mm,
Okay, so it's number 3. Okay, number 3. Do you love dance moms? Do you love dance moms?
Yes, very super. I love Kendall, I love Green, I love Jojo.
Okay, so next one. Pick number 6. I'm gonna open it. Wait. Hello. Do you have baby toys?
I think so. No.
No. Next, 8. It's number 8, so you pick it. Do you love Jojo Siwa?
Yes, very.
Next is number 5, our lucky number. Who is your celebrity crush? Jacob Sartorius.
Jacob Sartorius.
Oh, shit, you love Jacob. Okay,
Sorry.
number 2. Do you know Johnny O?
Yes. She's the crush of my
Jacob.
Jayagon.
Number 4. Are you proud of to be yourself?
Yes.
Next is wait. Number 5. Who is your celebrity crush?
Again. Jacob Sartorius.
Shit. Last number 1. So, Kayamba. Do you love your bestie?
Yes.
So, that's all, and that's our Diagon's vlogs. And oh my god, it's fun, but not interesting. But because Jaya is not here, she is doing her homework. But we're the besties. So I hope you like our vlogs with Natalie and Princess Polly with she's about herself. But I'm sorry if Mackenzie and Maddie and baby girl will be upset because Natalie loves Jacob and Jay loves
Johnny O.
Johnny O. So I'm so sorry. So bye.